Hey guys, I'm Shar.
Hey, I'm Ari. Today I want to share with you guys a yummy vegan oatmeal muffin recipe. It is super delicious and really easy to make. It's only 8 ingredients, so we thought we'd share with you guys.
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Alrighty, so the recipe we're actually working with is from this funky old cookbook. It's actually from the 70s. The recipe is called Lynn's Muffins. And it's just this old cookbook that our mom has, and we love it. It's got some good recipes in it. So to start, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you can get started on the ingredients. So to start the ingredients, you're going to need to make a sour milk. So to do that, you need 1 cup of soy milk with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then you're going to pour that on top of 2 cups of rolled oats. And then that needs to cover the oats, and they need to sit for at least 2 hours, but overnight is even better. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to do is make your flax eggs. So we have 2 flax eggs in here, which means it's 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed with about 5 to 6 tablespoons of water. And you just mix that together and then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until you get this nice kind of egg-like consistency. Alright, so you're just starting by adding your honey. So I'm just pouring it all in here. It's obviously sticky, so a nice little silicone spatula can be helpful. That's about good. So that was 1/4 cup of honey. And then we're gonna add our flax eggs in here. Pour them on in. All right, so we are just going to mix that all around. Lots of sticky gooiness to be mixed. Alright, so that is all mixed up, looking good, smells great. The oats and the honey really, the flavor is so good together. Alright, so we're going to dump in our 1 cup of whole wheat flour. In it goes. And then we have 1 teaspoon of salt, also going in. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we're just going to mix that up again. Alright, so I'm just going to add a little bit extra soy milk because it looks a little dry, which is totally fine. Sometimes that happens. We're just going to drizzle a little bit of soy milk and keep mixing. Alright, so this is the kind of the consistency you're looking for. It's very gooey and sticky mixture because you have that flax egg and the honey. And you do want it to be a little bit wet, so you don't want it to be too dry. If it is, just add that soy milk again until you get this nice wet, sticky consistency. Alright, so now you want to scoop in the batter, or the mixture, into the buttered or oiled muffin tin. So we're just going to scoop it in here. And then as you're filling the muffin cups, you do kind of want to flatten the muffin mixture out because it is this thick consistency, so you kind of want it to be more evenly distributed because they'll just bake better that way. So it's looking pretty good. Almost done here. Alright, they are ready for the oven. This recipe always says it makes 12, but somehow I always end up with 11. Not sure why. Alright guys, we took them out of the oven. They are all done. They look delicious. Ours took about 17 minutes. I'd say if you're gonna try this recipe, they may take around 15 to 18 minutes. Alrighty, here are our little muffins out of the oven. We put some peanut butter and jelly in the middle. So yummy. So yummy. I'm so excited to eat it. They taste good with anything really in them. But yeah, they turned out really well. Nice texture. And I can't emphasize, they're just really quick and easy muffin to do. And they're really healthy, so it's nice. Yeah, we're gonna take a bite now, see how they taste. I mean, there's nothing better than muffin right out of the oven. Come on. Yeah, so yummy. Peanut butter and jelly. But anyway, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. We hope you guys will try and make these quick and easy muffins. And please like and subscribe because it really supports our channel as always. And stay positive.